Hello everyone, my name is Christopher George, and this project is about the determinants of maximum voided volume in men with nocturia, and it's a follow-up on the Krimpen study. I do apologize if I sound congested. I've been feeling under the weather for the past few days. In terms of disclosures, I don't have any affiliations to disclose, and funding was self-funded for this presentation. So for the project itself, I'd like to begin with a quick bit of background on the Krimpen study. So this study was a large-scale population-based study conducted in the town of Krimpen on den IJssel in the Netherlands. It's really the only study of its kind in the world because they were able to get frequency volume charts for every subject, had a 50% completion rate, multiple voiding diaries for each subject, as well as follow-up rounds at 2, 4, and 6 years. It's also unique in that they surveyed the entire population of the town and had no selection criteria. And for these reasons, we feel that it set a high bar for future longitudinal studies in urology. Regarding the project that we did as a follow-up, we initially thought that as body mass index increased, we would see a corresponding increase in maximum voided volume. But instead, after performing adjusted multiple linear regression analysis, we saw that height was a much stronger physiological predictor of maximum voided volume when compared to weight. And this is after we found that maximum voided volume and BMI had no significant association after performing a simple linear regression analysis for that component. And to conclude, we feel that height should be considered in future interpretation of maximum voided volume so we can better individualize our evaluation and management of patients suffering from nocturia and nocturnal polyuria. We think that new parameters can use patient height as well as 24-hour urine production instead of patient weight or BMI. And hopefully this change can aid us in improving diagnostic accuracy as well as subsequent treatment plans for nocturia and nocturnal polyuria. And this does conclude my talk. Thank you all again for having me.